Hello and welcome to the exclusive interview by Bharat CXO. Today we have Mrs. Vaishali ma'am. Can you just tell about yourself and your company?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishali Dedia. I'm a chartered accountant. I work with Iris Business Services Limited as a lead product consultant.
Okay, that's it. I have set of two questions, starting with first question. Why do you believe CFOs should play a leading role in purchase automation?
Yeah. So, now with a lot of government mandates coming in, it is important for getting the input tax credit right. When CFOs kind of build that strategy to, ensure that everything is right, the data is right at the source, that becomes a very easy flow for the company to claim the input tax credit and unblock the working capital in short. So, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. In your experience, what are the key benefits of having finance lead this transformation?
So, as a finance, finance head or a finance team, they know a lot of things that the businesses could face, and a lot of specific scenarios they know about. So, it's important that the finance team leads it, so that the entire process is in sync. So that is one thing, and of course the ultimate goal is ensuring that the working capital is in place. So that is how the finance team is expected to do work on. So it will help a lot of cost benefits that can come using automation of purchase registers.
Okay, that's nice. Third question is, how does purchase automation align with the broader financial goods goals like costing, optimization, and compliance?
Correct. So, like we said, usually what happens is when the people do their reconciliation of purchase register with government ledgers, a lot of discrepancies are there. Okay. So, this involves a lot of differences, bring in a lot of notices as well later on. So, in order to ensure that those notices doesn't come, and in order to ensure that the purchase teams are aligned, it is very important that the purchase automation happens, so that the data is right from the source, and that's where government also get the same data, and whenever there are audits etc, they can they have the backup data as a source itself. So that is how
Okay. Apart from this, I have a curious to ask about your travel plan for 2025.
Okay, so right now there is no such plans. However, I mean, of course, 1-2 months down the line we will look at it. But usually I do plan way before. So okay. Right now 2025 doesn't really have. There are no plans right now. But yes, I can check out and explore.
Any destination in your bucket list?
Yeah, definitely. From international, Europe is something that I would like to visit for sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.